question, Rabbi?
Please go ahead.
What do you do when, like, let's say we're having a meal? What are you allowed to read while you have a meal?
Okay, so you can read this. Okay. So that's let me explain your question to everybody. So it says that during the meal, especially when somebody eats a bread, so it says it's appropriate to speak the words of the Torah, right? And our sages, now Mishnah says, so if there are 3 people, right, that they have to speak, and if 2 people, they have to speak the words of the Torah, not the whole meal. It says not to speak with you during your meal, but when you have a little break, we don't eat non-stop, hopefully, because it's not good always eat, right? So you have a little break, so you speak Dvar Torah, right? So you speak Dvar Torah. Otherwise, I don't want to repeat. The prophet says it's very disgusting. Like this meal that is supposed to be like holy offering to HaShem. So our table, dinner table, it's like an altar, and we bring offering to HaShem. In what sense? So we take this food, this lowly physical food, and we eat, right? And then we apply this energy to something holy. So that's exactly what's going on. They put this physical cow, they share the cow, put an altar, and make something very, very spiritual. So same we can apply to us, like every Jew must be holy. And it's and if you see Ramchal, Mislas Yesharim, it's like a normal to be tzaddik. So like people do not know the meaning of the words of the tzaddik, or the meaning of the word of Hasid. It's to be Hasid. It's absolutely like a standard ground for everybody. It's not like something out of order. That's what we all must strive to achieve, right? And tzaddik, it's normal, absolutely normal. You understand? So during the meal, you can read something, or you can listen to something, to some lecture, or you can read a book. So there is many. If you go to artscroll.com, they have all of this short story, all of this. If you have children, it's a must. There is small books with a story of tzaddikim. So I read one story, like I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and it's going to inspire others. And that's what I do. I give you the secret. That's what I do on a Friday night table. I eat very quickly because that's what I do. I don't have time to eat during the week, so I always eat quickly. So they only just started. I already finished. So they let them eat, no rush. Let them do. Let them enjoy. I open the book and we start learning. You understand? So that's what we do. Thank you. Right around the table. So so it must be some words of Torah. So eating this physical food must be filled with holiness. That's if you read Mislas Yesharim, it's a normal behavior. It's not extraordinary. It's not only for a big tzaddikim like these clowns. I don't want to say who, like they say, no, the big tzaddik, No, it's a normal. It's actually in Shulchan Aruch. In all your ways, you must be holy. It's Shulchan Aruch. You understand? So you always think about HaShem. Even in these physical actions, you must think about HaShem. Okay.